Hey, here we go again. Alright guys, we're gonna go on another bike ride today. Today we're taking the dirt bikes out for an adventure ride to Shivapuri Village Resort. I'm on the Yamaha WR155R and my cousin Suvit is riding the Crossfire HJ250. Two bikes, two riders, and plenty of trails waiting ahead. But first, fuel. Pizza? A quick pit stop to top off the tanks and kickstart the day. Bikes ready and spirits were high. Cruising through the city, the WR really surprised me. For just a 155cc, it sliced through traffic with ease, light, nimble, and quick to flick around corners. Thanks to Yamaha's Variable Valve Actuation Technology, or VVA, it always had the extra bit of punch when I needed it. Meanwhile, Suvit's Crossfire felt completely at home, confidently eating off the tarmac. By the time we hit Pujan, the city buzz had faded, the roads were quieter, and the air started to change. Hints of the hills ahead. From Pujan, we veered towards Shivapuri Hills. Suburbs gave way to climbing roads and soon we reached the trail end. This is where the real ride began, the dirt trails. These are our Nepal mountain roads, you guys. Welcome. Welcome to the proper Nepal. I gotta be careful because my tires are slippery because the ground is kind of wet.
एउटा स्टप चाहिँ यो हो कि मेरो जहिले आउने
Yes, brother?
एउटा स्टप चाहिँ यो हो कि म जहिले आउँदाखेरि यहाँ मजाको छ खाना पनि मिठो छ अर्ग्यानिक खाना आफै बनाउँछु एकछिन कुदाउँ न अनि हेरौँ न यो धेरै लामो छैन उतै हो कट त्यही उयो तिमी हिजो गयो नि बाटो हेर त यो छ नि यो बाटो छोडेर गयो उ त्यहाँ पुगेर अनि यता माथि आएको
हामी गएको त्यहाँ हो
हिजो अनि यहाँ माथि सुरेश हो
हामी त्यहाँबाट निस्किने हो हजुर
त्यहाँबाट निस्किनु
The WR felt right in its element, light, responsive, dancing over rocks and ruts. Suvit's Crossfire with that bigger engine stayed planted and powerful. We passed herds of goats climbed through the jungle. Ama Sanjay. Awesome. Alright, there's some goat traffic here. Let's see how they respond. Alright, goats. Bahar bato chalo.
यो ठाउँ चाहिँ मजाको छ स्ट्रेट छ मजाको
Along the way, we grabbed some epic drone shots. Well, until the drone decided to test gravity against a tree.
यो रुखमा ठोक्यो है यही तल होला ठिक छ ब्रदर
A quick retrieval mission later, he was flying again. Alright guys, we keep going. Make a new track here. बाटो त टेक्निकल रहेछ नि त ब्रदर
टेक्निकल छ टेक्निकल मदम मदम
It's pretty technical, you guys. This is one of the more difficult dirt bike track that I've ever driven on.
अब राम्रै छ ब्रदर कुदा हुन्छ उड्दाखेरि के नीले ट्याङ्की च्याप्ने के अनि तिमीले खुट्टाले राइट लेफ्ट थिच्यौ भने होइन त्यसरी एक बाइक जान्छ कि हेर न नीले ट्याङ्की च्याप्ने अनि राइट लेफ्ट गर्ने के खुट्टाले अनि ह्यान्ड्स वाइड एल्बो साइड
After winding through the trails, we popped onto a familiar road, the same road that we'd taken on our ride to Suryachor. At the military checkpoint, we paid a small fee, 250 rupees per bike, signed some waiver paperwork, and rolled on. But instead of heading back towards Suryachor, we took a new route. The road turns rocky, but the bikes handle it without breaking sweat.
अब यो बाटो चाहिँ ब्रदर यस्तै हो ढुङ्गा ढुङ्गा छ
Alright guys, so we are traveling through Shivapuri National Park again. Clearly this is an army checkpoint and army protected area, which is how most national parks are in Nepal. Nice, the Shivapuri Village, if you can see that. So these are old forest roads that we're taking. Probably maintained by the military. Which is decent for a road that's probably not traveled as frequently and not maintained by the government.
You know what I'm saying, brother? It's a pack of balance screen, sorry. I'll just start with you, brother.
Steady climbs, smooth control, and before long the trail opened up to our destination. Starting, brother, starting.
Keep up.
Yeah. And there it was, Shivapuri Village Ecotourism Farm. A quiet oasis surrounded by forest, with clouds brushing over the mountains in the distance, peaceful, untouched, and perfect spot to just breathe. Oh, ball, listen to brother.
Roman sir, huh? यो भ्यू पनि देख्छ कि के भन्छ हिमालको मजाले
हिमाल देख्छ यहाँबाट
सबै हिमाल
यो नर्थ हो यो
नर्थ हो यो वेस्ट टु त्यो कम्प्लिटली डिफरेन्ट छ
Okay, welcome to Shivapuri Village Resort. Let's go check out what's going on around here. We wandered the grounds, then settled down for a hearty lunch. The views were unreal. Rolling hills, drifting clouds, and the kind of silence you can only find in nature. As the day faded, we stayed for the sunset, watching the sky paint itself in gold and orange. Getting back through the jungle in the dark was a whole new experience. Quiet, mysterious, almost otherworldly. We stopped along the way for breathtaking night views, and that's where we'll leave it. Thanks for riding along. Make sure to stick around for the final clips, and I'll see you there for the next one.